We have always been inspired to innovate and come up with great ideas to help and support our customers.
You know, the small company culture it adds a lot of energy.
Lowry is a family-owned business, but it's a family within the family.
We're a leading systems integrator and software supplier that supports supply chain management solutions, providing those technologies such as barcode, RFID, Internet of Things involving sensing technology, as well as blockchain.
That is Lowry's business, the complete solution. So we bring the hardware, the software, the connectivity.
Helping them track and manage their warehouse solutions, inventory management.
So in Minnesota, we have our ISO certification for our manufacturing. We manufacture Paragon print and apply applicators, and we convert labels.
Every day I come into work, I always think about our customers and what we can do to make their life better.
And that's really what we're looking for, is to help make our clients more competitive.
So what we have around us here at Lowry Solutions is a first-class team that brings with them an understanding and keeps pace with products, deliverables, state-of-the-art technology. It is why we lead our marketplace.
We have a great culture in the company. We've been listed as one of the top workplaces in Detroit.
Lowry Solutions has provided me with a career path.
I am doing what I actually love in my career field.
I like it here. I want to make this a better place.
I've been with Lowry Solutions for 20 years.
I've been at the company for 18 years.
For 16 years now.
The tenure of most of the workers here at Lowry is impressive, and just the knowledge in this building.
My coworkers have a can-do attitude. They're very supportive.
All of us have our own expertise to combine that together, and we're a dynamic team.
Lowry is very involved with the community. We partner with Pinckney New Tech High School, and we do an internship program here. We do a food drive, annual food drive as well.
Just some of the things that they do are kind of unbelievable, and I'm impressed with it.
Probably the single most important thing to me is to create an environment of continuous learning and continuous education, because obviously technologies move at a very rapid rate.
I enjoy the intimacy of the small company, but the ability to grow and go after monster accounts.
We have really created a great culture for people to come in and really enjoy working here at Lowry.
Coming in, I felt immediately at ease with everybody working here. I've made some instant friends. I feel like it's a really good fit for me and my personality.
I really like the gym. I'm there almost every day in the morning.
We do fun events like the Halloween party, or we have a Secret Santa.
We get together multiple times throughout the year for lunches and dinners and special events and charity, and we do team building events constantly, and there's not one bad thing I can say about anybody that works here. Lowrys is a very family-centric company. So I'm able to raise my son and be a parent, to be a mom, along with being a professional.
Their family should always come first in their day-to-day decisions, and the company second, and we will always support that.
They let family and business work together.
I love working for a family-oriented company that makes me feel like I'm part of the team.
Whether it's child care, whether it's senior care, whatever the issue is, families first at Lowry.
In the last 10 years, I have seen a lot of diversities within Lowry, from a culture, from thinking. Gives a lot of people a different perspective and ideas on how we can make things better for our customer.
So we're looking for those kind of people that enjoy being challenged mentally every day and look forward to learning new and innovative things.
I love the business because it's ever-changing and it's so fun.
We are adding a lot more solutions to our large company footprint.
Everyone's pulling together, and everyone is just here, to perform their job at a high level. because they can see the end result.
I feel like they've allowed me to bring my skills to the table and show what I can really do.
I know there's a lot of good things in the horizon here for Lowry.